The Jamaica Labour Party continues to defend its record on jobs and economic growth. The issues took center stage at a recent JLP meeting in St. Elizabeth. More in this report.
A declining unemployment rate, particularly among young people. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin showing that more people were getting jobs as at April 2018. According to the data, the employed labor force grew by over 14,000 when compared to the same period last year. For the governing JLP, this is a big deal.
When we look round, we see pure job are created. We see young people have job and job have opportunity to choose, pick and refuse. That is the Jamaica moving from poverty to prosperity.
So we went back to the Statin report to see where the jobs were being created. It notes that, quote, there was an increase in the number of persons employed in the elementary occupations. Statin says this occupation group includes, among other jobs, car washers, street vendors, and housekeepers in hotel. There were 175,000 persons employed in this occupation group in April 2018, an increase of more than 13,000 when compared with April 2017. Additionally, the industry group, wholesale and retail, repair of motor vehicle and equipment continued to account for the largest increase in employment. That aside, the JLP said its employment initiatives are working.
We put in place a program called the HOPE program. That program not only trains young people, it gives them a job for a year. And you know the niceness with that program, not only do they get a job for the year, they get certified. And after the year, they have some part of the money that them get that automatically goes to savings. So if them don't get another job, them have some money to fall back on. That is why under this government, youth unemployment has moved from 33% to 25%.
The party also defended its economic reform program.
In my constituency, when I go and the new road them is there, you know what them say to me? Them say, boss, me love the carpet. I tell you, it's pure carpet, a bill right across Jamaica. Now, you all understand how it's pure roadway and highway and byway. It is because our economic reform program is on track. That is why we can build so much road.
Anthony Log, TVJ News.